Hello guys, welcome back to Double J. So today in this video we're gonna unbox the new OnePlus latest smartphone, which is 8T. I have it right here. So this is a new phone that was just released like a week ago. So if you're new to our channel, please subscribe and support Double J's, and also like this video, and please follow our Instagram. There's a link down below. Also, let's get started. So let's start unboxing this. First we have this. So yeah. First of all, OnePlus said that it's a mystery. There's like a mystery gift inside. I'm not sure if they're true or not. So let us see. It's well packed. So yeah, let's unbox this. It's a cool pop-up box. Oh no, that's so cool. So first of all, we can see that there's two boxes. So this is the phone right here, and I think this is the water bottle. So they said they will give us a gift. I thought it was a case, but this is the water bottle. So let's unbox the water bottle first. And there's nothing else, that's it. So first of all, let's open this. It's a cool one. There's nothing inside here. So it's a cool water bottle, I like it. I see this in a lot of videos. So it says OnePlus right here. It's like a flask. Very clean, so we can move that. So we're going to keep this in the side, and let's move to the phone. So this is a really good case package. OnePlus did a great job of packing this phone. I really love it. So let's start unboxing this. So right here, so I think there's a, so this is super satisfying, this part. It's really hard. It's not like the Samsung's one. Yeah, so first we can see this is probably the manual guide on all stuff. So like the manual guide, everything. So first of all, this is the safety information. A lot of stickers. There's like a never settle. OnePlus always says never settle for every single. So let's put that aside. So this is the quick start guide, and this like describes what should we do. It's Chinese, and we can see that there's a SIM ejector right here, and also this is like a letter or something. Yeah, this is a letter from Pete. It's right here. So right here, this is all the thing that comes in this box. So before starting to the phone, which is right here, so we can talk about the spec.
Starting off, we had the flagship level Snapdragon 865 processor with the 6.55-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display and OnePlus's new 120Hz fluid refresh rate. It also comes with either 8GB or 12GB RAM and either 128GB or 256GB storage. We also have the 4500 mAh dual battery, which is powered by the 65-watt warp charger. We also have the covering glass, which is made out of Corning Gorilla Glass. The operating system is the new Oxygen OS, and it's based off the new Android 11. It also has dual stereo speakers with NFC.
So it's right here. Before we start the phone, we can see that there's a red charger which always comes with it. I'll just show you. So the wire is not pretty long, but it's super thick. It's super strong. And next, I think, I'm not sure what's inside this, but it's maybe a headphone or something. Or we see this is the power unit, like the charger, and this is a USB type C to C. So it's a USB type C, which is really common nowadays. So let's start unboxing the phone. I ordered the aquamarine green version. Like this is the most famous, so we peel this. Well, this is actually 6.55 inches, the screen size. Like the surface is glass. First of all, before we on the phone, we can see there's an on-screen fingerprint right around right here. Yep, so this is the camera if you want to see a closer look. And there's a OnePlus logo right here. It comes with 128 GB and 256. So this is the 256 version. So let's start the film. So right here we have this. This looks like a Google Pixel phone. It's super cool, and there's no SIM card. So actually, this one is for silent mode. There's a vibration mode and the ringing mode. See, there's like these apps. So when we buy this phone, we get this much apps, basic apps that a phone needed. There's a lot of new upgrades from the old Nord 8. And so I like this. And so like this is super light and all. It's like lighter than the 7T model. Since OnePlus didn't give us a case, I ordered one. It's right here. It's like a regular clear case that I just ordered, which is really cool and convenient. So I'm back. So that was just a quick unboxing. I hope you liked it. If you like this, please subscribe to this video and also like this video. And also there's going to be a review coming after this. So see you in the next one.